Hello everyone. If you watched my last video,
And if
you
you have
know
any
Python
suggestions,
compiles your code.
you can
But here is
also
the real question. What exactly does it compile it into? It's not machine code, it's something called bytecode, and understanding this changes how you see Python. So in this video tutorial, we will break down Python bytecode, why it exists, and how it actually works behind the scene. So let's quickly connect this to what we already know. In language like C, you have your code which is compiled into machine code, which is then directly runs on your machine through your CPU and you get the output. But Python doesn't do that. Instead, it takes your code, converts it into an intermediate form. Now, this intermediate form is your bytecode, which is then executed by the Python virtual machine and you get the output. So, what is bytecode? Now, bytecode is a low-level platform-independent representation of your Python code. It's not human-readable like Python. It's not machine code either. It sits somewhere in between. Think of it like a simplified set of instructions that the Python runtime understands. Now, let's understand this with an analogy. You think of it like your Python code is similar to English. In the same fashion, bytecode is equivalent to simplified instructions and your machine code is the hardware language. So Python doesn't talk directly to hardware. It first translates it into something easier to execute. Next, let's understand how it works. So at the very first step, you have your .py file which is compiled into bytecode. Now bytecode is either stored temporarily or saved as .pyc files. Then comes your step 3. The Python virtual machine reads this bytecode and executes this and you will get your output. Now here is one important question. Why does Python even use bytecode? First key reason is platform independence. The same bytecode can run on different systems. The second important reason is efficiency. Python doesn't need to recompile everything every time. And the third important reason is the simplified execution. The Python virtual machine only needs to understand bytecode, not full Python syntax. So if someone says Python is not compiled, that's not true. Python does compile, just not into machine code. Now in the next video, we will try to go one step deeper and we will try to understand who actually executes this bytecode. That's where Python virtual machine comes in. If you want to truly understand how Python runs your code, don't miss that out. Now thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, you can like, subscribe and share this video. And if you have any suggestions, you can pin down those suggestions in the comment box and you can also email us at the given email ID. Thank you so much for watching this one.